Do we need an enlightened being to ultimately purify our karma? Think carefully. Simple yet profound. Very profound. Think left and right. Think no and think all the reasons. Think yes and think all the reasons, and debate back and forth with yourself. It's not about winning or looking good or bad. It's about understanding. You do need an enlightened being to purify on an ultimate level. On a relative level, you may not need, because karma is not dependent on an enlightened being. Karma is universal. The purification of karma, the eradication of karma is not dependent on a sentient being, on an enlightened being. Example, you exhaust the karma. So if I pinch Neral, later someone pinches me back, the karma is exhausted. So did I need an enlightened being for that? There you go. Do I need an enlightened being to exhaust the karma to not experience it? Does that make sense? So, if I've committed some negative karma with Niral, and I've experienced it back, is that karma exhausted? Yes. Once that's exhausted, do I need to experience it again? Did I need an enlightened being for that? So, on a relative level for ordinary sentient beings. On an ultimate level, the most powerful karma is not the pinching of Niral. It's the ignorance that created my wish to pinch him. On an ultimate level, it's not me pinching Niral that creates a negative karma per se. It is my ignorance, my anger, my self-centricity, my selfishness that makes me think if I pinch Niral, things will be better, I'll be happier. That I, to be purified, needs an enlightened being. Why? Because only an enlightened being who is realized of that insanity or that ignorance can teach us the way to get out of it. And teach us the methods to get out of it.